Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something seriously awesome to talk about. Well, this is for all my people in United States. I'm talking about a meal so good it will make you do a happy dance. First off, let me introduce to you guys JK Kitchen. Yeah. So let me start with a shout out to JK Kitchen because they've got something magical going on in the kitchen. I mean, seriously, their food is out of this world. It is tasty. I mean, I had a meal from them the first time and it was like a flavor party in my mouth. I'm not kidding, guys. This stuff is legit. So today, let me introduce you guys to jkkitchens.com. Go to the website and order something for yourselves. Let me give you reasons why you should order from them. They have fast and furious delivery. I'm telling you. All right, let's talk about the speed, guys. My order from JK Kitchen came so timely. They catered for my baby's naming ceremony, my kids' birthday parties, you name it. The great part is that she keeps to time. In fact, she under promises and over delivers. I'm telling you guys, it hits my doorstep faster than I could say hungry. And guess what? It was sizzling hot and packed up like a treasure. And see, that's a major bonus. Yes, I'll give a major bonus for that. Major bonus points for that. Guys, I'll give JK Kitchens the perfect score. Now, food, I'll give them a big fat 100% because their food is super incredible. It's always freshly made with all the right stuff, and the best part, it looks exactly like those mouth-watering stuffs that they post. This is from their website too. I'm telling you, no surprises, just pure deliciousness. Talk about this customer service. Hey, guys, there's more. Their customer service is top notch, guys. I mean, seriously, they know how to treat their customers right. Quick, friendly, and on point. No headaches, just happiness. I'm telling you. See, they are the seafood heaven. If you want seafood, if you're into seafood, they've got this seafood pepper dish that has it's a flavor explosion. I can't even put it in words. You have to try it yourself. They have the African and intercontinental dishes that will leave your taste buds excited. I'm telling you, jollof rice, fried rice, prawns, lobsters, seafood pasta. Guys, make sure that you spread the love. I've been raving about JK Kitchens to my friends, yes, to my buddies, and guess what? They all came back with thumbs up and big smiles. Trust me, this is value for your money right there. In fact, they brought this for me, guys. Hey, as you can see. They are not joking, they are not here to play. Yes, this was delivered to me at no cost to have a feel of what their intercontinental dishes taste like. This is, I'm telling you, her packaging is second to none. I kid you not. Hold on. It's not just about daily meals. All you bachelors in the building, if you don't want to stress yourself in the kitchen, bachelors and spinsters, JK Kitchen is just a phone call away. If you have a special occasion coming up, birthdays, weddings, bridal showers, or any event, really, JK Kitchen is the real deal. They will make your events legendary with their deliciousness. So don't waste any more time. If you want a taste of food heaven, hit up JK Kitchen for home deliveries, drop-offs, or catering. They've got it all, trust me. All right, that's a wrap for today's video. If you have enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button and share with your foodie squad. Stay hungry, stay happy, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. I know you guys are expecting grants in my next video. Just consider it done. Don't forget to join the family, hit the like button, and also tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your notification bells, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Come on, let me go and eat. Let me go and shop this food. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Bye. Love you all. I'm going to be introducing you guys to our official caterer, to the best caterer in the United States. As a matter of fact, she deals in African dishes as well as I'm sure that you check out JK Catering Services. I have all her links in the chat, in the description, as well as in the comments. So let me know what you think, guys, and do well to refer her to your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell her you're from Miriam. Yes, Mariah chassis everything. I'm just gonna give you great deals, like I said earlier. So guys, let me go and enjoy my food, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Mwah. So guys, today's video is sponsored by JK Kitchen. And just in case you are wondering who is JK Kitchen, she's the best caterer in the whole of United States and yes, the whole of North America. So guys, go to jkkitchen.com and thank me later. I'll see you guys. Take care.